Australia additionally banned any shooting a terrorism-related act as just October 15. The United States announced social media screening for H1B and export visa against India rejected Bangladesh argument and repeated its support for free and fair elections. National news. The Visit Bharat Shiksha Adhistan will referred to a joint parliamentary committee for detailed examination. The government said that Udayam portal has helped to generate employment for over 31 crores people across the country. Narendra Modi began three nations visit Jordan, Ethiopia and Oman to strengthen diplomatic ties. Trade news. APCM pay underworld appointment letters to 6,000 newly requirement constables today evening. Andhra Pradesh wins the National Energy Conservation Award 2025 in Portland. India's first autonomous maritime shipyard at Vivadagina in Nellore. Sports quiz. Maharashtra CM launched state-level sports development program named Project Mahadeva. Football coach Messi shoots Andrew in Delhi. Messi great fans at Arun Jaitley Stadium. ICC chairman Jaisa present the team media jersey and tally.